Had a nice time out at the car meet. You know, it's good vibes and shit. The co-founder, the president of the group, he had hit me up earlier this month. He's like, I want to see you out there, bro. I'm like, man, you know, he been inviting me to meets, but he says I've been working, hustling, or, you know, tied up that day with something, or I just fucking forgot about it. So I told him before, I say, remind me the day before. He told me, like, remind yourself. So then he sent me the invite again yesterday. I was like, bet, dog, I'm gonna be there. You know, so I get there, good food, good vibes, met a lot of other Panther guys. It was just a straight good time. Straight had a good time. You know, that's all it was to it. Good vibes. Like I say, you know, met a lot of other, met a couple other Panther guys that came out. You got your blink on. You know, so it was a good time. I know I definitely enjoyed myself, and wouldn't mind going, you know, wouldn't mind attending another one of their meets. Definitely got to attend another one of their meets. No drama, no nothing, no bullshit, just straight food and cars. What the fuck, is you getting over or what? Cause this is a 2-lane, dumbass. Y'all go. Damn, arrow green. Y'all know this is short ass arrow. But, you know, it was just a good time. Hey, they go a rainbow to the left. I don't know if you caught it. I don't know if the camera caught it, but hey, rainbow right above the trees. I remember when this Volvo dealership opened up in 02. Hey, I swear, you not from Chicago if you never thought that was a water park. Everybody from Chicago thought that, every kid from Chicago thought that was the goddamn water park. They actually fucking make concrete though. Fuck y'all slow as hell for y'all. It's not keeping up with the flow of traffic. I thought that was my brother at first. I don't think my brother got a wide body though. I don't think it is a wide body. All the lights finna turn green, so ain't no need to cut through the parking lot. Come on. I can't go nowhere. He said, thank you, detective. Damn. That's funny. Bye, catch y'all in the next video. Stop the snitching, stay dangerous, like, comment, subscribe.